It's Rose from Bridgewater Public Library, back in my yard again. Look, it's another beautiful day. So this is the Art and Crafts Club group series. We've got our second project. We're going to use all the exact same supplies as the time before. I can go over the supplies again. We're going to add 2 things to the list of supplies. So the point is to learn, create, and share. So I'm going to teach you a technique. You're going to hopefully learn it. You can research it. You could get books off of our network, sales network. I know that we just purchased some art books, but there are art books in the network. You search, however, you can either search painting, acrylic paint, pouring paint, and there's a ton of YouTube channels. I can vouch for that. Also, you might have seen in the last video, there will be occasionally a little mascot ace comes and goes. So I hope you enjoy them. So today's project is called a puddle pour, and we're going to try to blow it out into a flower. Like I said, same items. This is one that I've done. And this one, last time I had mentioned that you could sometimes coat your canvas after it's finished with either the acrylic glaze or clear glaze or resin. So this one has the clear glaze on it. You can get that from Michael's. So last time I mentioned you can get all these supplies from Michael's. They have a great selection under Artist Loft. It's a Michael's exclusive Artist Loft. These are the ready pour paints. They come in a nice size. So I don't forget, again, before my hands get messy, so the table is covered. This is from the last project, which is fine. And this is how you're going to share your items. So either on Instagram with the hashtag BWPLArt, or you can email it a photo to me at rmamacos@salesinc.org, and we will share your items, and hopefully in a few months we'll have enough people that have participated that we can do a virtual exhibit. Since our art gallery, you can't come in the building and view our art gallery, why not view art virtually on social media? And it's calming. So this is like I had said before, different ways to use your brain, and it's very meditative, and I like to always be creative. I'm always doing different things, as my family can tell you. So the extra items are, you're going to need a straw, and we're going to talk about silicone. So some people add silicone to their paint to get cells. If you can see here, here's some cells here, and it's pretty cool, and especially because it's very random and you don't really know. Here's some cells here. You don't know how it's going to come out. So there's a couple ways to get cells. How you mix your paint. This ready pour paint doesn't have anything in it that's going to create cells. So you can add silicone to it. Or in the future, I'm going to show you how to mix just your basic acrylic paint, like this outdoor folk art paint. There's a way to mix it with a pouring medium. Once you add that pouring medium, you don't need silicone to create cells. It's going to create the cells, which that's cool too. But that's in the future. So let's see. So I have hydrangeas. This year the hydrangeas were beautiful. Don't know why. I don't have a green thumb. Some years they come out great, some years not so. This year they were great. So I'm going to try and go with the colors of a hydrangea, I think. So I wanted to show you. So, but you can buy this from Michael's, and it's the Artist Loft brand as well. So it's silicone. You can buy a hair product, and it's got the same ingredient that this does, which is a little scary because you're putting this on your hair, but a lot of people use this. You can use, some people use WD-40. So there's, and if you want to research that, you can. I have learned a little goes a long way. You don't need much of it. So I'm going to put one color. I'm going to put the silicone in, and we'll see how that looks. So the paint is all the exact same paint. So here's the thing, I don't have purple, right? But red and blue mixed together can create purple. So I'm going to try to make some purple in this little cup. So we're just going to mix it until it's the shade that I want. This one's going to use less paint than the last flip cup because I'm not going to I don't need to cover the entire canvas to get what we're going for. So here's some red and blue. Let's just see. I'm going to mix it. I just got a plastic spoon if I can get a purple color. So that's a little purpley. I think I need a little bit more red. I don't know. I really, like we said before, there's no right or wrong to this. No mistakes. It's all good. It's all relaxing. That's like plum-ish. It's a little darker than I want. I wonder if I add, hey, you know what? I'm gonna add a little silver in there. So I really hope you guys participate. It's fun stuff. So we're gonna learn, create, share, and that looks good, and it's a little silvery. It's got a little shimmer to it, which is kind of cool. All right, so I'm gonna use that. I don't want red, and I'm gonna show you the silicone. And the mixing, you don't want to over mix. When you put the silicone in, you're just going to mix it very gently a couple times. You don't want to over mix it. So I've learned that the hard way. So what color do I want silicone in? I think I'm going to put it in this color. We'll see how it works. So this is the thing, you just don't know. You're just winging it. So I'm only going to put one drop. What's this? One little drop. And I do need my glasses for a minute. Oh yeah, that would help. If you unlock it, that helps. What's happening? No mistakes. Happy accident. Okay, so that ended up being a little bit more than one drop. So I don't know if you saw that. So now I'm just kind of folding it in to the color. I'm not stirring it crazily. I'm just folding it. Okay. So we've got these are the colors, and I think that's good. Just, you might want a little white in there. Okay, so my cameraman, here's another thing with the mess you make. Some people have silicone mats, and then all their extra paint from another project dries on a silicone mat, and they peel it up, and they can make skins out of it, and they make extra projects with the skins. I haven't done that yet, but maybe down the road. Alright, so a puddle pour is just that. We're not gonna, this is the only cups, is just what we just mixed here. And I'm just getting myself ready. So I want my darker color first. So I'm going for, so there's a little puddle I might want to add. And then this has got the silicone in it. So we're going to put that in the middle. I'm going to put a little silver in the middle. Whoops. It's okay. Like I said, no mistakes. It's all good. No worries. This is supposed to be therapeutic and fun. So I think I might just add a little white rim-ish. Oh, it's fine. And we'll put more of the, I don't know, doesn't look very purpley, looks midnight blue. That's okay. We'll just do 2 layers of the puddle because we're not trying to cover the whole thing. Okay, so here's my puddle. And I have a straw. So I'm going to try to, without making a big, here's the thing people, if you're going to blow, you got to look at what's around you so that you're not blowing all over your house. So I'm just going to I'm just moving it a little to center it a bit. And see these are bubbles and it could be the silicone. So, alright. So I'm going to try to get like a flower-like thing. I'm going to try. So, are you ready? Don't want to get my hair in it. So see how it has all the colors run into it, which I think is really cool looking. So that was pretty. So then turn it. So that purpley color is really taking over. I think I'm going to put a little more white in the middle, just because it's so dark. So you just keep going until you like how it's coming out. I do like the silver in there. Maybe one more. And that's kind of it, I think. I don't know. What do you think? It's not a hydrangea, but it's close. And then you could also take your straw, so not the end. I'm going to get a new straw, or just your knife. Actually, I have a, so you can still draw on it. So like I'm going to just kind of pull those in a little bit. You can pull it out. No, it's not enough. Hold on. I'm going to put a little more silver in there. Get another straw. Let's see. Where do I want it? What do I like and what do I not like? Yeah. Alright. good. Does look like a blob, but it's supposed to look like a flower. Here's the thing. So we added the silicone to the turquoise, and I don't really see any cells. Maybe when it dries. But anyway, it kind of looks like a flower. Kind of. A little bit. There we go. That's it. So that is just a puddle and a straw. You didn't even need the silicone because I don't see the silicone doing anything. So, well, take these up. So, fun, just play around with the paint, same paint, and we've got my hands aren't as messy. Oh look, I got paint on it. That's okay. No worries. So hashtag BWPLArt, and you can email me, rmamacos@salesinc.org. All right. So I hope you participate. I can't wait to see all your creations. I can't wait to see your flip cup from last time. Let's see a puddle pour. Try to make it into a flower or anything. You could try to make it into a abstract. This is a little abstract. Kind of looks like a flower. And that's it. So I hope you are all well and are getting creative, and I think that's it. So peace.